So we're building a cob wall with a base of stone, which is urbanite, which is broken concrete pieces. And right now we have about 2 feet under the ground of broken cement pieces that are strategically laid next to each other. And we had a bunch of gravel, so we put gravel in the crevices to kind of really solidify it in there. And now we're ready for the layers that you'll see above ground of broken concrete, which we're going to join together with mortar. So, and that'll be the stem wall of our cob wall, which will, maybe be like 4 or 5 feet tall.
And the cob is going to be made with the dirt that you see here and here, mixed with straw and a little bit of sand. And then what that'll do is basically create like earthen bricks, which will be wet, and that you could then place on here, and when they dry they'll be as hard as regular bricks. And then that will all be meshed up together, and it'll be about 4 feet high, and it's going to be a nice oval shaped cob wall. And then this whole backyard area is going to be a wood deck. So,
yeah.
Cool.
Made of recycled materials, all for about less than $200.
Yeah.
That's it.
All right.
Sounds like a real creation.
Yeah, we should check in again when there's actual cob to see. I think that's going to be the really
We'll need to get an update on this.
Okay. Okay.
Which
cool.
phase of the project are you in now?
We're in probably phase, I don't know how many phases we've got, but the first phase was actually drawing it out, cutting into the ground, digging the ground out, getting the roots out. Now we're at the foundation stage.
Cool.
So the next stage is, after we do the foundation, is to actually make the cob, make the bricks, and then build that up. And then I think the last stage would be actually doing the finish on the cob itself to make it more water resistant, and actually create a roof at the top of the cob wall, which will make it keep the rain off. And then from there, it's just whatever we want to do with it. We want to make an archway going into it on this side. We talked about hanging lights on top of it to create kind of like a nice atmosphere in the back here.
You kind of want to put a fireplace in it.
Put a fireplace in it.
You can basically just mold into it, so it's very cool like that.
Yeah.
Cool. Well, thanks a lot for sharing that.
Thanks for helping
Steve.
us get
Thanks for
everything
helping,
together.
Steve.
For the second